Schema. Ooh, does it really work? Some people swear by it, say it makes all the difference in the world. Some people say it does absolutely nothing. So we're going to test it. And that's what we do here at Greg Morrison Media. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to be doing lots of these live tests to see what is real and what is not in the SEO community. None of the hearsay. We're going to actually test things. And that's the way I've always gotten my data, is through testing, because we need to test it to see it. We're going to do this test on SEOdelaware.net. This is a website I haven't touched in many years, probably about 8 or 9 years I haven't touched this website, but it still ranks number 4 for Delaware SEO. This is a great test because I haven't touched this site in so long, and 2 of the sites above it are also mine, which I also haven't touched in many years. So there's not many hidden variables here. The change we're making, if it works and it will help boost rankings, that's a conclusive variable there, where it's the only thing being changed. The only unknown variable is what these guys at number 3 are doing, because I don't own that website, but that's not really that big of a deal. The big one is between this and the top 2. If we see some movement up, we know that, hey, maybe it does work like that. If we see no movement at all, it could still be inconclusive. It doesn't mean it doesn't work, but if we definitely see move up, it could be a big factor, right? So we're going to test it. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to add my manual schema. I'll go through the whole process here, and then we're going to view the actual testing results. So first of all, let's go to our source code here, and you'll see if I look up schema, it is not on this website currently. There's no schema on this website. How I'm going to do it is I have my code over here pre-done. I have my homepage code here. I have my inner page code. You can copy all this if you want, give you all the directions. And we're going to add it to the website, show you exactly how I do everything. So the first thing we do is we're going to go to plugins and add a plugin called Header Footer Code Manager. Just go to add new plugin, type that in, install it, activate it, and you'll get your plugin. And when you get it, it's right down here, HFCM, and this is how we're going to add our snippets. So the first thing we're going to do is add our homepage schema, right? So the application type is LDJSON, context from schema.org, organization's SEO Delaware, name SEO Delaware. Here's our URL, our logos here. By the way, easy way to create URLs, go to ChatGPT, say, please create me a logo for a site called SEO Delaware. It appears right here. We'll do a screenshot of it. Just hold down Control, hit screenshot on your keyboard, go to Microsoft Paint and paste it in with Control and V. We'll do a paste, or you can just go up here and do edit paste. Then we're going to click this right here. We're going to highlight the portion we want to keep. We're going to again copy it. So you can either go to edit copy, or you can just hold down Control C. Then we're going to do a new page, paste it in with Control V, or just go to edit paste, whatever you like. And then we're going to hit this button right here. We're going to go to pixels and change this to 300. That's what I like to do with my logos. And hit OK and save it. From there, we go back to our dashboard and we click on media. And we just add new file and upload it. I already have it right here, okay? Once you have it, you click on it, and here is your URL for your logo. That is what I have in my logo section right here, okay? Then the rest of this is just some search stuff, which a lot of people add into their schema. Now, for you advanced schema people, I know this is basic schema. We just want to test the basics. Maybe later on we test some more advanced stuff, but does adding basic schema to our site help increase the rankings? That's what we want to check first. You can't make tests too complicated before you come to conclusive results. You got to start with the basics, and then maybe bring up the test from there once we see what happens. All right. So we're starting with the basics here. Here's the script we're going to add for our home page. So how this works, we go to our snippet here. We're going to go to this is our header footer kind of snippet thing here. Our snippet name is going to be home page. Snippet type is JavaScript, because schema is JavaScript, or LDJSON is JavaScript. It's going to be for a specific page. It's going to be for this home page here. All right, it's going to go in the header. We're going to paste in our code, and we're going to hit save. All right, so there is our code for our home page. Now, we also have a few inner pages. So we're going to also add it to our inner pages, which gets a little different code. If I click on pages, we have 4 other inner pages we're going to add schema to as well. So I'm going to come back to my thing here. We're going to go to inner page. Now this is my inner page schema. So it's a little different because it's an article and blog posting. Organization still SEO Delaware, but here's like the name and the publish date and the headline and the URL of the URL you're actually doing. So I'll do one of them really quick. We'll go to add new snippet. Now first page is this one right here. It's enhancing organic optimization. So let's come back to our tab here. This is called Enhancing Organic optimization. Okay, the date published was 10/28/2015. So 10/28/2015. So I can copy this. This is also, now my title is the same as my headline. So usually we don't want to do that, right? It's not good SEO practice, but these are so old and I haven't touched them in so long. That's why they're like that. So let's paste that in. Now let's paste the actual URL in. So we're going to copy that, and that's going to go in for our URL. And then bam, this is my script that I'm adding to my inner page. Okay, so this is going to be enhancing organic optimization, JavaScript. It's going to be on a page, enhancing organic optimization, and then we paste in our code and save. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for the other pages. I'll do one more on camera, the rest I'll do off. So next one is keywords and social media. So let's add new. We're going to do keywords and social media, JavaScript. It's going to be on a specific page. Keywords and social media one. Okay, I would come here. I'm just going to change this to keywords and social media. It's funny, keywords I don't even have correctly. It's all one word. But whatever, we don't care. This is just a test site. All right, so this is also the title, which again is not good SEO practice, but it doesn't matter because we're testing Schema. All right, the published date was 10/28. Same published date. And then the URL, if I right click here and copy link address, is right here. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this script and put it in right here and then save it. Now my schema is done for that page. Now I have two more pages. I will do these off camera really quick just because you've seen the process. Then we'll go check the code and make sure everything's there. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, so it took me another minute or so to add schema to those additional 2 pages. Now, if you want to see all your schema snippets, just go to here and click on all snippets, and then there's all 5 that we created. Okay, so if you wanted to edit them for any reason, just go in here and edit, and you can change the code. But all of our schema is on our site. To show you that that is true, let's go ahead and go to SEOdelaware.net. Let's right click, let's go to view page source, and let's type in schema, and then bam, here is our schema code right here. All right, let's also go to one of the inner pages just to make sure it's there as well. So we'll go to link building, we'll right click, we'll look for schema, schema, and there it is right there. Okay, so our schema is now on our website. Now we get to just wait. We wait and see, does SEO Delaware move up in the rankings? Now, I also actually want to see where do we rank for SEO Delaware, because that is like the EMD version of it. So let's look at SEO Delaware and see where we rank for that. So number 1 is my site, number 2 is Trolley, 3 is SEMrush, 4. So we also rank number 4 for that. So that's good to kind of keep track of. We rank number 4 for Delaware SEO, and we also rank number 4 for SEO Delaware. Pretty cool, right? So let's see what this does. If you want to get these live testing results, you got to subscribe. Come back and we'll do an update video to see what's going on. I'll probably do an update video. If I see it rise in rankings, I'll immediately do an update video when it happens. If not, maybe I'll wait a few weeks at least. We'll do an update and we'll take it from there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have some things you want me to test, comment below. Tell me what you want me to test, and I'll test it live on my budget. Now, you don't got to give me any money. I don't care. I'll test it. If it's something that needs, to be paid for, depending on how much it is, I'll pay for links, whatever the case is, and we'll test whatever you guys want. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Talk to you soon.